What is up, guys? We're here at Euro Boutique. I'm gonna get my carbon fiber steering wheel put on from Rick, and it's gonna be gloss carbon fiber. Take out the airbag and the cruise control to put it on into the new carbon fiber steering wheel. Unplug the battery already. This is interesting. So when the cruise control comes out, it's just a plug. That's simple as that.
That's out. So now it exposes this thing in here.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah. No biggie. I mean, I've done this so many times, but this is where the cruise control plugs in right there.
Oh yeah, nice.
See, the cruise control goes here, clicks right here.
Nice.
So the harness is there. It just they don't show it till after the fact.
Easy peasy.
It's attached to your ribbon cable. You see a ribbon back here? That's your ribbon.
Gotcha.
If you don't attach it, what happens when you yank this out? Okay, now you're fucked because
shit.
now your ribbon cable is damaged and you can't put it back together.
Oh shit.
Because all your wires have to move with the steering wheel.
Gotcha. Right.
So this is a 19 mil center. We'll torque it back later. I'm going to mark the center. I'm marking it based on the wheel, so the thing's right in the center. Because on Acuras and Hondas, they don't mark them wheels. They don't mark the wheel, so you don't actually see it. Right. Otherwise, when you do it later,
it's gonna be crooked.
Yes, yeah.
Slowly. There you go.
See, the ribbon cable stays there. See?
Yes. Yes. There's the old one.
They wanted to take it originally.
All right, let's look at this brand new, guys. It's over.
Yeah, first we gotta take all this apart. So the wheel is actually held in place by like a bunch of screws.
So the flat bottom.
We actually, what we do is we first strip it. So that's leather materials plus the resin, the foam base, and then we rebuild the foam base. So when we rebuild the foam base, we're able to get that shape.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, because if you don't rebuild the foam base and you just use leather materials, it doesn't work. It basically makes the wheel feel squishy.
So it is still the same wheel. You just made this part flat.
A lot of the guys, they think we cut and re-weld it, or they think that we'll, we'll bend it. There's no such thing. You can't bend it. It's a solid metal rod.
Yeah.
So this part, all the comes out. We'll unplug the horns from the back side. So hold that side. You need this piece.
I need that. Yeah. It goes right there.
See how now the wheel looks kind of the same. I've never seen the stitched leather like this before. That's weird. The factory, this is weird, this piece, how it's stitched.
All right, you guys.
All right, brother.
All right, see ya. I'm like, you still here? Everybody.
The real work is over here now.
Yeah, we're just putting it back together.
We'll put
black. Well, I guess you could be a Tony.
Yeah, I know.
Tony, Anthony,
I know.
Right? You could be a Tony.
Yeah.
No, I was asking, I was like, hey Tony, so where are you?
I got the Wera tools, man. This is legit.
I should not.
I saw
Same
this
thing.
stuff.
It's very aggressive.
This stuff is pretty.
I love
really
it.
feel the
Yeah,
difference.
good stuff.
I love
I
it.
really like their kits that they have.
Yep.
And it's like they do with wrenches, random sockets, and bits. I'm like, oh, dude, that'd be so clutch just to have a like on the go type.
Yeah, because everyone knows Craftsman, Snap-on.
Yeah.
And Vera is kind of a hidden one. I like this screwdriver because it's a pocket. So you know when you fly the airplane, this is under 8 inches, so you can bring it on the plane. You know when you press a button, it extends.
Yes.
And then on the back side, it flips up, and the back side flips open all your bits.
Yes.
You know, so they have to torque everything to spec, and their bolts are really small bolts, you know. So I was like, I see. Waymo was really big on proper torque settings for it, you know.
It kind of have to be, especially if no one else is driving it.
Yeah.
And then the AI.
Yeah, so the guys that work here, they always,
Oh,
because we brought the
I know what
GT3
you're
out.
talking
yeah,
about.
yeah.
It's right under the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Prime location for like a cars and coffee.
Yeah, that's
You have to drive around the SQ5
Yeah,
sometimes.
probably.
Yeah, this is your yeah. I like this one because it's got the it's got the detachable head.
Oh.
So the heads come off. You can swap them separately. Yeah, from the main.
Very convenient.
Looking sick.
They're really identical. Close. Mola Orange actually came on that S2000.
What I'm doing is I'm checking the torque spec of the nut.
For sure.
Spec is. So
37?
Yeah. 37 Newton meters.
Newton.
It's a little bit lower than stock, right?
Because this is a German wrench.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So that's why we have to know what the spec is each time we do it. And then,
Yeah, this is the pole position ABE. So the ABE is the thicker, like.
hear that click?
Yep.
So when it clicks, it registers it.
Right.
We'll do it one more time. You know it's right. This goes back in here, ready to accept your cruise control later. Just lock it back in there. Spot. You see this mark I made earlier? See the little mark? It goes straight up, right onto it. So you know you did it right.
Especially with you have them handles are so fragile.
Yeah.
Fragile, unfortunately.
Holy moly.
Oh, you got the
Yeah, Kenny. Yeah, he was down here. I forgot a while back with this black one. He's got a rare color, black with red interior. Oh, that's your brother? Oh, you guys are related? Oh, okay.
Brother.
I didn't know that. Hey,
I'm the younger brother.
Oh, so okay, so Kenny's your brother.
Mhm.
You guys both have NSXs?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Oh, so you're up in the Sac area too?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, world. Okay.
Is it from your company?
Yeah, we make all those pieces. We make a lot of carbon parts. That was kind of a labor of love because
I'm gonna just leave my wallet in the car real quick.
that's holding your car down, right? Because that's different.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
I know.
yeah, I would be very, very.
I went with like a whole new brake kit off the S6. Got those refinished.
Who's gonna-
But it was hella fun. Yeah.
Just be normal.
What happened?
Let it happen. Let it happen.
Yeah, I played with the idea of taking
Batteries
this
back
one,
on.
but I-
Man, Rick's fast.
I'm not fast. I'm slow.
Thank you. Yeah. Maybe you're next.
No.
Yeah, they'll back up your knees.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah. Guys, I'm here at your boutique in Fremont at Rick's shop, and we just put on the new steering wheel. I just want to take the time to thank him for taking me in. Give it up to Rick, you guys, on a day that he's not even supposed to open up the shop. But I appreciate him for taking me in, you guys. If you guys need anything NSX related, any carbon fiber pieces, anything car related, you guys got to come through your boutique here in Fremont. And the new steering wheel is in.
Alright. Come on, Sancho, get in here. So yeah, I know you always. One, two, three. You guys got some sweet rides here. Once you drive all this stuff, move all this shit and clean up. Though.
Yeah, for sure.
You got enough video?
Anthony.
I'm gonna pay all.
Good to see you again,
see you
and
too,
thank
man.
you for coming and hanging out with me over here
yeah,
at Rick's.
hang out,
Yeah, it's good to see you, man.
Yeah, always.
It's always good to see you.
Yeah.
Tony, thank you for hanging around.
Sure, for sure.
Thank you.
Man, it's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure.
Yeah.
Rick, thank you
Nice,
very
Sancho.
much.
Yeah.
Because they're like 120 right now.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Gift for
What
you.
is this? Oh, what? Shit, thanks.
Gift for you.
What's this gift? Ooh, nice. Thank you. I love
Yeah.
gifts. Gifts are always cool.
Thanks, dude.
For sure.
Hot Pot Express. Hell yeah.
Ooh, beautiful. I appreciate it.
No
Thank
problem.
you. Yeah, give me something to use at the office. I love
Yes.
it. Thank you.
Yes.
And it holds your phone, you know.
Oh,
There's a
it's a
magnet.
phone. Oh, shit. That's sick. Hell yeah.
There's a magnet. You want to peel both sides.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, perfect. Woo, look at that.
Yeah. How